going to make some roe from a scallop. You pop it in a nice pan. And if you put the seasoning on, you've got to put seasoning bit on first. And be careful, it does pop.
Okay. So how long do you cook them for?
1 minute each time.
And do you like them?
Yeah. Now it's been about a minute, so I'm just going to turn it over if I can get under it. There we go. 1, 2.
And what did you think of your first impression when you first tried them?
Well, it was very nice, but it was naturally salty. And after I've shown you this, I'll show you the one what it looks like on the inside.
How long do you think it needs now?
About 1, 2...
2 minutes?
No.
Less?
Yeah. Like 10 seconds. There we go.
Turn them over again. They've got a lovely colour.
Yeah,
You have to be very careful, don't you? You have to be very careful.
Yeah.
You have to get a bigger person to help you.
No, I don't think I do. I'm doing it now.
These are the bits that some people throw away. They don't know how good it is. You know why? I think just because they're too scared to try it.
Yes, and it looks quite disgusting because sometimes the red bit, because the red row is got full of little babies in it.
It's full of eggs, isn't it?
Yeah. So the white ones was the milk.
That's right. It's called milt, I think it's called.
Milk.
Yeah, it's full of scallop sperm, I think it is.
Yeah.
Well, do you think they're nearly done yet? They're looking good.
About 5, 10 seconds.
Okay, sweetheart. Can we give them one more turn?
They don't take very long if you think about it.
Good effort. Well, they look fantastic.
Thank you.
Can we eat one?
Really?
Ooh.
Okay, now it's time to take them off. 1.
Wow.
Second one. Now this is one I did earlier, so it's going to be a bit cooler. It's going to be a bit cooler, this one. And that's what it looks like on the inside.
What?
It looks
like a piece of chicken.
Yeah.
Let me just see. Keep it still. Let me see. Ooh, you've cooked that well. You're going to give us a big
might
shot.
look
You're
horrid.
going to enjoy it.
Yeah. It might look horrid, but it's actually quite nice. Delicious.
Wow. And that is scallop roe cooked by Olivia.